A lion lived in a forest. He was strong. He saw a donkey. The donkey ate grass. A parrot sat on a tree. The parrot watched the lion. The lion said, I will eat grass. He stopped hunting. He ate grass every day. The lion became weak. He felt sad. Animals laughed at him. The parrot came to him. The parrot said, You are a lion. Do not act like a donkey. The lion felt sorry. He started hunting again. He became strong again. Animals respected him. He was happy. The moral of the story is be yourself. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.